am hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling. Every
Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? Ha ha! What's going on? It's your boy Ski. And today, we have a banger, banger, late night Ethereum merge live stream. This is one of the biggest events in cryptocurrency history. Ethereum transitioning from proof of work to proof of stake. The biggest event in crypto history is about to unfold in what appears to be 36 minutes. Now, this isn't exact, and there are a couple different clocks. So let's go ahead and look at the other clock. And I'm actually going to put this right here. And let me just refresh this. So this clock says 2 hours. And this clock is saying 36 minutes. I'm going to refresh this. It keeps changing. So we'll see when it actually merges what's happening. But let's take a look at the price right now, currently. And I'm gonna show you guys the difficulty, like how many miners are on the Ethereum network. We're probably going to see that dropping off, the difficulty. So currently Ethereum is sitting at 1600. That's what I've been saying. Hello. How's it going? That's what I've been saying, is that I think it's a classic buy the rumor, sell the news. So this is pretty big. And if you've been living under a rock so far and you're not aware of what's about to happen, basically Ethereum is transitioning from proof of work to proof of stake. There are some myths behind this, but so one of the myths is that it's going to affect the gas fees. It will not affect the gas fees. Another myth is it will affect the speed. It will not affect the speed in the transactions. The main thing that it's doing is reducing the carbon footprint, and it's going to reduce 99.5% of the energy consumption. So let's go over here on what to mine currently, and let's look at the GPUs. What's on the farm here? So we got 750 terahashes still on Ethereum. To put that in perspective, yesterday it was 888 terahash, and at the height it was probably over whatever is above whatever the next 1000 terahashes. It would equal something else at that point. I'm not sure. But Ravencoin has over 10 terahash. This was only at like 1 terahash or like a week ago. Ergo over 36 terahash, and Flux at 3.87 millihash. Now I started mining onto Flux. How are you, sir? I'm doing well. I'm doing great. Live streaming this. Hold on, let me pull up the comments so I can get that a little bit quicker. Live streaming some history, and you'll love to see it. Like, I'm really excited, but at the same time, like, I don't know what's going to happen after this. There's not really anything to look forward to in Ethereum, so kind of crazy, honestly. So let's take a look at the clock. Currently, according to this one, and I've been seeing all kinds of different what website is this? I need to change my ETH rigs over. So I'm on what to mine, and I don't know what are you currently using? Are you using NiceHash? Are you using Linux? Are you using My brain isn't even working. Hive OS, like what are you using? Ethermine. So do you have like GPUs? Hive OS. Cool. Okay, so I'm using Hive OS. And basically right now I've switched mine. And I'm not telling you what you should do. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. I had about 1.4 gigahash on Ethereum. And so I've switched mine to mostly Ravencoin because it's the most profitable after Ethereum. And well, it's not now because it got bumped down. And I've moved it as well to Flux because Flux is the one for me that has the most development on that. So it has the most dev. So like, let's look at the some of the tokenomics for Flux. Ravencoin doesn't really excite me as far as like development, tokenomics, any of that, but Flux, there is development on Flux, and they have a legitimate, they have a legitimate creators. They're partnering with. Oh, let me bring this up. They're actually partnering with Ergo too, is another good one that has legitimate development because it's all about the developers. That's what's going to drive the price in the big picture. Like it can pump, this, that, and the third, but in the big picture, what's going to drive it is the development. I know that they had. Whoops. I just saw this the other day, but on their layout, they plan to do some sort of bridge between Ergo and Flux. So I really like Flux and I really like Ergo. Let me just go over some of the tokenomics on Flux real quick, and then I'll go back. I know I'm going all over the place here, but let me do Flux. So Flux, there is currently the max supply of Flux is 444 million. Anything under 1 billion is great for me. So that's the max supply. It's currently at $1. So to put that in perspective, this is about the same max supply, although there was no actual max supply, but this was about the same supply as Ethereum, and it's sitting at $1.21. So just to put that in perspective for you, decentralized Copeler network. Let me go down here. The founders are all public. No, I mean, it's possible that they could rug pull, but all the founders are public. Let's see here. The core models, and it has it has Flux nodes. Hold on, let me go down. Here we go. This is the structure on how it's paid out. 50% is via proof of work. 12% is via Nimbus. Stardust is, I can't see, 30%, and Cumulus is 7.5%. So this is how the rewards on Flux are paid out, and it is GPU resistant. So this is why I'm sort of bullish on Flux. But anyways, I'm using 2 miners. I'm actually solo mining. This is me right here. So yeah. All you got to do is you can put that on Hive OS to answer your question, to bring it full circle. You can just do the same thing how you set up on Ethermine. You set that up, get these pools right here, and you're good to go. It's the same thing as like Ethermine, but you're just using I'm using 2 miners. I'm not telling you guys to solo mine. I'm just solo mining Flux, and I'm pool mining Ravencoin. About half my farm is split up in that. Yeah, in that order. I probably will start mining Ergo, but just like looking at the hash power, man, there's like Ethereum Classic is dead now, pretty much. 79 terahash on Ethereum Classic. Let's refresh this. Yeah, 79 terahash on Ethereum Classic. Like, it's crazy, dude. This was just at 30 terahash. Like, so this is where all the ASICs are going to go, which is why I have no interest in going to Ethereum Classic, because the profitability on Ethereum Classic is going to get just bogged down by the ASICs. Why I like Flux, Ergo, and Ravencoin, they're all ASIC resistant. So currently sitting at 10 terahash for Ravencoin, 36 terahash. That is really climbing on Ergo. So it looks like the price is as well. Huh. And Flux is sitting at 4.5 millihash, which it's actually went down since I started this stream. Let's see. Let's refresh it again, see if Ethereum. So 749 for Ethereum. We're sitting at 28 minutes and 25 seconds for the Ethereum merge. Absolutely crazy. Let's take a look at the crypto bubbles. Is ETH price go up on merge or not? Well, let's take a look. Let's look at the charts. Dude, I don't even see. So ETH is sitting at 1596 currently. What is your opinion? What do I think is going to happen post merge? Is that what you're asking? Like, what's the time frame we're talking about? We're talking about next week, next month? What are we talking about? Next bull run? The end of the year? I think in the short term, it's going to dump. I think in the short term, it's going to dump. There's going to be a lot of sell pressure. In the long term, though, I think that this could be on the next bull run. My price target for Ethereum is somewhere around 11,000. Next week, next week I think it's going to dump. Also, the CPI data just came out. They're going to, it shows what the price of inflation was. So the next following week, the Fed is going to come out and they're going to raise interest rates likely by 0.75 basis points. And basically, like, people really complicate crypto, but all crypto is the opposite of the DXY. And the DXY measures the strength of the US dollar in comparison to other currencies. When the DXY pumps, when the money printer is on, crypto and the stock market and everything pumps. When the money printer is off, the stock market, crypto dumps. And so this is basically measuring the money printer, how strong the US dollar is. And when this is strong, crypto dumps. So this is very bullish. If you look at the MACD on the DXY, let's just pull that up. It's still like really bullish. It's like when it's under here, it's weak. And as you can see, like it was a lot of red right here. But when it's up here, that's still a lot of strength. So in the next week, I think Ethereum is going to dump. Big picture, I could see Ethereum going over, $11,000. This is 2025, but I think it's going to dump in the short term. So let's just refresh this. Like, this keeps changing. So this is kind of crazy. Yeah, 23 minutes. It's not like an even countdown. It's kind of wild. But also there's this is Watcher Guru's countdown. Let's see what he's got going on. He's saying there's 453 blocks left, an hour and 49 minutes. That just changed. This is saying 23 minutes. So either way, I'm here for it. I'll be here all night seeing what's going to happen with these prices. And the GPUs, all of that. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys my farm. How about that? You guys want to see my farm? I don't even have my phone. Never mind. Never mind. So yeah, let's go back to the charts though. Yeah, I could see Ethereum. Let's take a look. Let's go on the 5-day. Let's see what's happening here. On the 5-day, yeah, it's. Let me look at the weekly. Yeah, see on the MACD, we're well below here, so that's showing like how weak it is. A lot of people think it will pump today, and they long them. It's possible. Like it's definitely going to be volatile, but just my opinion, to me, my brain, it's a classic buy the rumor, sell the news. And typically the whales and big money, they always sell right before the events. It's like remember last year when Dogecoin was going absolutely crazy and everybody was just waiting for Elon Musk to go on Saturday Night Live. But that was the best time to sell, was right before he went on Saturday Night Live, not while he was already there, because everyone was like, I'm going to sell now. So it's a buy the rumor, sell the news thing to me. That's what I think. But that's just my own opinion. But long term, I think it's going to be bullish because I'm talking 2024, 2025. I think this is the price right here, 11,000, somewhere in that range. At a minimum, I think it's going to go to 7,200 minimum the next bull run. So, and that's really not that crazy because if you look at the all-time high, 4,000, basically 4,900, that's not even a double. A double from this is 9,000. So for me to say like, oh, it's going to go to 7,400, that's really not even that crazy of a speculation. But that's my opinion. Let me know what coins you guys want me to look at, because I'll look at other coins besides Ethereum if you guys want. But I'm seeing what's going on. It looks like, well, this is just regular fluctuation on there, but here, let me look at my solo farm. I got 17% luck so far. It looks like more miners are hopping on, because when I hopped on this, there was 33 miners, and now there's 37. I'm actually 5th on this little pool here. I have the 5th most mega hash. 2, 3, 4, 5. Where am I? Wait, what is mine? BB4E. I don't even see me. Oh, here I am. Oh, I'm not in 5th anymore. I got bumped down in the rankings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm 7th in this little solo mining thing, but I'm really not that far. All of us right here in this range, we're pretty much the same. But either way, I don't care. We can all win. There's plenty to go around. 18 minutes until the merge. 18 minutes. 435 blocks remaining. Huh. Very interesting. It's interesting that they don't have XRP on here, because that's really going to be the winner right here, in my opinion. That's the real winner, in my opinion. Craziness. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab another cold one. I'm gonna put the little stream thing back on here. I'm gonna go away for a sec, and boom. Be right back. All right, we're back. We're back. All right, I'm going to pull me back over here. All right, what's up, chat? How we doing? How are we feeling about the merge that is upcoming? Having a cold one on this late night. All right, I'm going to refresh this. Still 13 minutes over here. You guys hear me okay? And then 140 on this one. 413 blocks remaining. Pretty crazy. So my strategy for this is I'm going to wait about a week. And then what I think is going to happen is the GPUs are going to absolutely flood the marketplace. And it's going to be like, for me, it's going to be like a gold rush on buying GPUs. Like, look at this, 3080 for 700. I could see this in a week being 500 easily. But that's my price target. I'm trying to get the 3090s for like 600. I think that they're going to drop at least to like 700 consistently, because I'm already seeing 700 or like this one's a 3090 Ti for 800. So this is my strategy. I'm going to wait about a week after the merge, let the dust settle, and I'm going to start stacking me some GPUs and building my farm. Building the farm out. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum sitting at 1600. We'll see what she do. Let's look at the Terra hash. 556, about the same. 10 Terra hash. 36 Terra hash. Pretty crazy. This is the biggest event in cryptocurrency history. Luna C will do like Luna. What do you mean by that? What do you mean that it will be like Luna? In what way? Luna C is down 21%. 21% on the day. That's pretty crazy. And they're up 31%. They usually go together, so it's kind of weird that they're doing the opposite. Definitely, in my opinion, this is whales just shifting, just transferring funds. So what do you mean Luna C will do like Luna? In what way? Let's look at the charts on Luna C. It's kind of annoying to look at Luna's charts, to be honest, because of how it just like fell off a damn cliff. See what I mean? All right, let's see what we can do here. So I was actually looking at this when it got to this point. It was about to break out of the Fibonacci retracement, but it rejected off of there. So let me pull a fib on this thing and see if I can do what I did earlier. I think, let's just see here. Yeah, it rejected perfectly off of this 5-0. But let me see if I can't get like a little bit. Man, so annoying, honestly. It's really hard to do. All right, I'm going to pull it from right here. Yeah, right there it is. This little wick right here. Let me zoom in on it. Where is the one? Yeah. Okay, so from this wick, when you pull it from this wick down to this wick, now I'm going to zoom in over here, and so you can see what I was looking at. Any closes right above here, which is about 00061. If it gets a close, like a body close, it wicked up to it. But if it gets a body close above this 00061, which it rejected cleanly off of it, you can clearly see, because I was looking at it here. It rejected cleanly off this. I believe it's the 236. Yep, cleanly off the 236. There is absolutely, if there is a close above here, I don't know where it's going to range. Maybe it goes all the way back down. Maybe, I don't know where it's going to. This is like foolish money right now. This is right in between a range. It's literally flat line. But if it does bounce and gets a close above this range right here, gets a close right at point like 6-1, somewhere in there, closes above there, there's absolutely nothing in between here and here. And then really there's nothing at all until 000 or almost 201. This is why I hate Luna, because it's so annoying to even try to figure out what the hell the number is. But what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Oh, my camera went out. Hold on. I'll turn it back on. One second. All right, cool. I usually don't live stream for this long. So we're learning and growing. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button. Let me know, drop it down in the chat. What are your thoughts on this Ethereum merge, which is 5 minutes away, according to this calendar, and it is 1 hour, 33 minutes away, according to this ticker. This one is probably actually more accurate because it has the blocks remaining. So 380 blocks remaining. But either way, I'll live stream all the way through. What in the world? There we go. Yeah. So I'm probably going to live stream until, see, this one just changed like right as I'm doing it. So I have no idea which one is which. I do not like Luna. I completely agree. I don't like any of the nonsense coins, to be honest. I don't like any of the nonsense coins. I wish all of them would die, because, like, what is this? Luna just popped back into the top 100. It was literally, maybe I got this one confused, actually. when I was looking at it. But Luna Classic, Luna. I wish that Shiba Inu, any like dog crap coin, cum rocket coin, I wish all of them would die because they're taking liquidity from real projects like XRP, like Hex, like HBAR. They're like Algorand, like, so they're taking money from the real projects, which could really pump off of real fundamentals. So yeah, I wish all of the nonsense coins would die. But hey, I'm not against gambling either, so. An arrest warrant also issued against their founder for dumping. Yeah, that's right. Good point. That is correct. Let me see if I can find that. I haven't went over any of the news. I had that on here somewhere. But the founders of Luna Classic, I forget which one it was. I guess I don't have it. But yeah, you're correct. The founders of Luna Classic, they have an arrest warrant out for him for basically rug pulling. You know, lots of people lost tons of money. There was definitely videos of people like just straight up crying because they had all their money, all their eggs in one basket. So yeah, honestly, he should go to jail. That project needs to die. Yeah, let me go over some of the news. Wait, actually, we got 2 minutes here on this one. I'm going to see what's going to happen. 2 minutes. Yeah, we'll just leave this here for a minute. We'll leave this here for a bit. The other one, so like I said, I don't know which one's which. I'm going to stream all the way through. We'll keep checking on the price. Actually, let me pull up. We got 1 minute and 50 something seconds here. Let me just go over here to the Ethereum price. And let's go on the 5 minute. Actually, let's just look on the 1 minute. All right, cool. All right, 1 minute, 21 seconds until proof of work Ethereum merge goes from proof of work to proof of stake, the biggest event in crypto history is about to happen. And we're going to take a look at the price here momentarily, but I'm going to have this countdown. Again, there's different charts. I'm going to stream through all of them. We'll see. What in the fuck? We'll see what happens. Either way. Either way, I'm here for it. Either way, you can count on me. Like 1, 2, 3. So cheers. Also, a reason why I think that this could dump it is, dude, after this happens, what is there to look forward to in Ethereum? Ethereum becomes boring as hell. There's literally nothing to look forward to. So that's another reason why I think there's potential for Ethereum to spiral down in the short term. But we'll see. I'll gladly be wrong. All right, let's see what this does. 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's go ahead and refresh this. Okay. It's counting upwards now. All right, let's look at the price really quick, see what's going on. Ethereum is still, let me refresh this. 1,600. The price, we got 1 wick. Let's zoom in. This is the 1 minute chart. No one should look at the 1 minute charts, but here we are looking at the 1 minute charts. I don't know. I don't think it's actually officially merged yet. This one's counting backwards. So there's three, according to Watcher Guru, there's 352 blocks remaining. So I'm going to assume that this is actually correct. And coin market cap was off. No surprise there. So that's cool. We will I'm just going to exit out of this one because this one is done. We'll keep a look. We'll keep an eye on the price. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Whoa. How much is that? Okay, that's not as crazy as I thought. 1% though in a minute. That is kind of crazy. So it just wicked down to 1590 after being at 1604. That's a pretty nasty wick though, to be honest. Let's see what it does. Ooh, look at this on the MACD. I mean, we're in the 1 minute, so it's hard to do technical analysis on the 1 minute. But this looks like it's getting bearish for sure. We'll see here. Let me just create a little channel. I'm seeing a little yeah, here we go. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll see what's. Yeah, this thing is dumping right now. If it gets out of this channel right here, look out. Look out below. This is like, look at that. Yep, it's crossed the neutral line. It is officially in the bearish territory. Man, I called it. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. No, we're on the 1 minute. We're only down 1% right now. So we'll see what happens. Let me zoom in here. Let me hide the RSI. So we got a little more space. And then I'm going to pull down the MACD here. Pretty crazy. All right, let me go over here to the Watcher Guru. This is saying an hour and 23 minutes. Let me see if on the it still has on Ethereum, according to what to mine, it still has 759. Let's go back over here to the charts though. That's crazy. That's a pretty nasty damn candle. Dump. Remy says it's dumping. Yeah, if it gets below this wick right here, if it gets below 1585, man, there's not too much. Well, I guess there's a little support over here. But after that, yeah, I don't know. We'll see what it does though. Pretty crazy. Oh, classic. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Classic. Just buy the rumor, sell the news. On the hour, Ethereum is still up though. But I'm looking on the 1 minute chart. It looks like it found a little bit of support at 1595 there. We'll see. I'm going to stream all the way through this merge. I'm going to stream all the way through this one. I did have the other one, but it doesn't. Let's see if they updated it. Yeah, it's counting backwards now. So this thing's no longer good. It looks clean. I like this one better than Watcher Gurus, but I don't think that the merge has happened yet. Yeah, we still got an hour and 21 minutes. But hey, I'm going to be here for it all. I think no one know the real merge time. I think you're correct. This one seems to be a little bit more accurate because they actually have the blocks, 330 blocks remaining. And that is like what it's actually going off of. It's not going to be a, time. It's just how many blocks are left until the merge. So I think that the Watcher Gurus, shout out to them. I think that they have the, oh, what is this? Yeah. Huh. Yeah, so I think they have the more accurate one because it's based off of the blocks and not an actual time. It's based off the difficulty, which is based off of the blocks. So we'll see. Gonna stream all the way through it. The other one I don't think was accurate. But I appreciate you guys. You guys are dope. Go ahead and hit that like button so we can get more people in here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, because we're still on Ethereum, still has 750. 700. Whoa. That went up. Yeah, they still have 756 terahash on the network currently. That's the network difficulty. Ethereum is climbing slightly, 10.5 now. We started about 10.1. And Flux is sitting at 3.55 mega hash. Just called Vitalik. The merge is off, boys. You're done, buddy. We're not merging anytime soon, pal. $322 blocks remaining. Let's check over here on my little solo mining. 19%. It's went up 2% just since I've been on here. Just called Vitalik. Oh, man. All right. So since we got a little time, I'm going to go over the market news and analysis on the day because I didn't make a video earlier. So here's a live look at everyone who shorted at the beginning. Actually, let me put a little bit of music on here. Let me know. Let me know if that music is too loud. I just want it to be kind of a little subtle overlay. But yeah, let's get back to the news here. All right, just in Citadel Fidelity, Charles Schwab announced plans to launch a cryptocurrency exchange. Pretty crazy. Whoa. Gary Vee said, go figure. XRP is planning on launching the non-fungible tokens, currently sitting at 45% consensus. This needs to get to 80%. They had a bug and basically people are they're saying nays until they fix the bug, and then they're going to say yay according to that. Rich Dad author, investors need to get into crypto ahead of big economic crash. Rich Dad, aka Robert Kiyosaki, is a historical bull. He is not a bull. He's a historical bear. He's almost always bearish. So the fact that he's saying investors need to get into crypto tells me everything I need to know. You can now bring your NFT into Grand Theft Auto and Minecraft servers. That is actually pretty crazy, because if there's one game that like the metaverse could actually play out and actually work through, I think Grand Theft Auto could lead the way on that. That's good. Bears in the chat. Bullish. Yeah, so this is pretty crazy. I just imagine like making it some sort of like monkey NFT, and then I'm riding around with a baseball bat with my little monkey JPEG, my little Bored Ape Yacht Club. That would be pretty dope, in my opinion. Let's go to the coin market cap. I'm going to go into the tokenomics on Ergo a little bit deeper, because they're pretty crazy. Ergo and Flux, in my opinion, are the proof of work winners, GPU winners, as far as developers. And I'm going to go into that. But we're currently sitting at $986 billion on the total market cap. Raven coin down. Let's see what the biggest... I saw that there's a spot where you can do, I don't remember, but whoops. Here we go. Anyways, on the day, the biggest gainer is Celsius, up over 36%. Comp is up 6%. XTC up 1%. So pretty much after that, it's pretty much nothing. Today is definitely been a red day. Terra down 33%. USTC is down 22%. Luna Classic down 21%. Helium at $4 is absolutely crazy. Sir, can you tell about ADA? Yeah, I sure can. Bullish on ADA. All right, let's go. Let's click on the tokenomics of ADA. Cardano has their merge is. Let's see if there's a countdown for the Cardano. I believe it's September. I think it's September 23rd off the top of my head, but I can't remember that. This is well, let's see what Flexpool says. Actually, they might know. So according to Flexpool, it's 1 hour, 16 minutes. This is for Ethereum. I know I Googled for ADA. So that seems pretty accurate, because Flexpool is actually a mining software company. Anyways, this is all about merge. Here we go. Damn it. I don't know. I'm going to look more into that, but I'm going to go over the tokenomics on ADA. All right, so the total supply, 45 billion, had an all-time high of $3. The total supply currently is 34 billion. Let's look at the white paper. All right, so here's the white paper on ADA. Actually, they have like a. Let me just show you ADA. ADA is the so-called ETH killer. If ETH fails, a lot of people theorize that. Cardano could be the one that takes over. I hate it when they have like dumb articles. So according to this, 150 world-class organizations displayed. Here is the ecosystem right here. Let me just click on this for you guys. So Ergo is involved with this. This is more like I'm bullish on Ergo, honestly. And my next rig that I build, I'm going to be building an Ergo mining farm. So all of these organizations are involved with Cardano. You got crypto.com, HubBuy. These are all the exchanges. Let me get a little bit closer. I said zoom in. So here's some businesses. We got New Balance, Beef Chain, Wave. Here's some governments right here that are involved. So the ecosystem on ADA is pretty damn big. Yeah. Payment systems as looks like Apple Pay. I'm not sure what any of those are. Yeah, so they have a pretty damn big ecosystem. I don't hold that much Cardano, but I am bullish on it. It is a position that I will be adding to September 22nd. Remember, September 22nd is the Vassal upgrade. Let me see what that entails. I was calling it a merge, but it wasn't a merge. It is a hard fork. They're calling it the Japanese Ethereum, thanks to popular Japan. While the project has been launched, what is it supposed to do? Here, let's take a look at this video here.
Always warm, always sunny. Sometimes Colorado today.
This is Charles Hopkinson, the creator. I'm gonna turn my mic around.
And we have a pope. White smoke is coming out of the Sistine Chapel.
285 blocks away.
Teams got together today with the CF, talked to a lot of different people, looked at the progress with the was a Bulgarian mathematician who was a good friend of our ecosystem. He spent his life.
Can you guys hear this?
10,000 trees. And he recently perished, and we decided to honor him by naming the hard fork after him. And it just random luck that it fell on the Independence Day of Bulgaria. How about that? Pretty special.
Luck, huh?
I'd like to thank everybody who made this happen. It's a long list, but the SPOs really stood up and did a lot of extensive testing. The QA teams in particular were overloaded on this one. The engineers put a lot of effort into getting all of the code where it needed to be. There were a lot of features involved, a ton of them. And just so much that had to be done, so many things that had to be built and improved. It really demonstrated that we need to build better processes and better foundations to launch things at this scale and magnitude. That we kind of pushed the limit a bit on on Fossil. I'd like to thank all the DApp developers who worked with us tirelessly throughout the last few months in particular to verify the new features and functionality are looking pretty good. I'd also like to thank the community management team, Ben O'Hannon, and all the people who work with them, the Cardano ambassadors. They carried a heavy load on this particular one. I'd like to thank Tim Harrison as well. He rallying people, the delivery team, Nigel and Jer and the rest of the gang there. They pushed hard as well. This was one of the long ones, probably the hardest update we've ever had to do as an ecosystem. And it's one that, if we've all done our job right, we're going to wake up on September 22nd, and it will be just another day. That's the magic and power of the Cardano ecosystem, is we do our homework early and we do the work up front so that we don't end up enduring the consequences of not doing it on the back end. And I'd finally like to thank the community for your patience, persistence, and dogged loyalty. You fight hard, you push hard, and it's good to get it all done. Fossil is going to really help a lot of DApp developers out. As I said back when we launched Alonzo, there's really two ways you can look at smart contracts and programmability in the ecosystem. One way is to start with maximum expressiveness, and there dial it back as you discover there's problems. And this is kind of what Ethereum has done. And they released something, they said, oh, well, maybe we need to put some more controls and checks and balances. The problem with that is twofold. One, as you dial back expressiveness, you break old contracts. And two, anything that is hacked results loss of money. I've seen reports as high as $25 billion worth of stuff has been stolen or lost as a result of hacks and bad smart contracts in that ecosystem. When you look at the other direction, you start with minimal expressiveness, and then you gradually add new capabilities over time that broaden the universe of things that can be implemented on the system. And ideally, every time you do that, you'd like to improve safety, reliability, and specification. That's what we did with the extended UTXO model. We started and knew that over time you could get to what Ethereum has done, but we understood a roadmap to get there. So the first major upgrade that really is happening with Fossil, and it's going to massively scale up the universe of discourse for contracts. The level of expressiveness is really improved. But we've maintained actually that level of security and quality that people have come to know and love with the Cardano ecosystem. There's more work to do, more ships to write. There's a lot of things on the horizon, especially in 2023. But I think people are going to be very happy with what they have, and there's a lot that they can build with what they have. From big upgrades to DEXs to stable coins to many other things. There's over 1,000 projects currently under construction in Cardano land. So I look forward to seeing what you, the community, are going to deliver and the utilities you're going to bring to bear. And I look forward to seeing this ecosystem continue to grow. It really has been a product of love and a lot of effort. And I think that overall, it's been worth the investment of time. For me, I'm actually almost 8 years into this, from the early days before launch to today. And you can see the beard is getting longer, the hair is starting to recede, the waistline is growing, and the white hair is coming in. It didn't used to be that way. It used to be a little different. But that's the nature of these types of things. And it's been a wild ride to get this far. I've been to over 72 countries, and I've watched the community grow from a very small community to have more than 3 million people. When we look at where we're at today, we have regularly events all around the world for Cardano. For example, there's an event in Brazil that was held not too long ago. We have the Rare Bloom event that's coming up in October, which I'll be attending, and I believe we're going to be launching Lace there, one of our wallets that we've been working on and have a great vision for. And there's a ton of community support and completely self-assembled. We were not involved. The foundation was.
All right, so basically what I've gathered, the hard fork will enable like smart contracts, things like that. So pretty cool. Have a pretty damn strong ecosystem. So if there is an Ethereum killer, Lots of coins claim to be that. Perhaps ADA could be the one. But back to Ethereum. Currently, we have about 1 hour and 4 minutes left, according to this countdown. 264 blocks left. Remy says 1 hour left. 1 hour left. Let's take a look at the terahash. Ethereum dropping a little bit on what is being mined. 747 terahash. Let's look at the charts. Oh, it had a nice little. Whoa. No one should be looking at the charts on the 1 minute. I mean, really, this is just a range. This isn't even that long. What the hell? Why is it doing that? This is only 3 hours. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look at crypto bubbles here. Celsius is absolutely pumping right now. Dude, Celsius was at like 100 not even that long ago. Ethereum's currently sitting at 1609, according to crypto bubbles. A couple things have popped green. Dude, this cat is going nuts. Oh, man. All right. Why is Celsius pumping? Any news? I am not tracking any news on Celsius. Let's see. Nothing really, honestly. I did read that the founder said that he was going to try to rebuild it, but I don't think that there was any news, to be honest. Who's pumping this dead garbage over again? Going to $3. Tornado is coming, baby. Yeah, I think it's just retail, maybe some whales. Seems like pump and dump stuff to me. This is dead. Dead. But they're right. They literally just keep pumping it back into the top 100 over and over again. What is Flux at? Let's see. Flux is at $1.23, sitting at number 113. Raven was really far down. Raven was all the way down to like 120 something like a week ago. So the fact that it's just like chilling at 64, it's kind of hilarious now. All right, let's go to my I'm going to continue playing this video and use the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Coming together to take care of what they felt was a good need. There's many other things that are on the horizon. So Fossil is a major turning point, I'd say. Deep parameters totally removed. More than half of the updates went through the SIP process, and it really has been a collaborative product of the community, working with us and external members, and really it all came together. Now, moving forward, there's going to be a big retrospective on how do we do things better. There's also going to be a deep conversation about the overall architecture of Cardano as it is, And how do we take it to the next level to make it more useful and portable, scalable, better for everybody? A lot of SIPs are coming. Some SIPs related to Voltaire and governance, some SIPs related to Basho and scalability. And there's a lot of cleanup that needs to be done as we hand it over from one steward role to a members-based organization, and then participate with you guys in that capacity. So that's what 2023 is really about. So a lot of people are stepping up, taking more advanced roles, more in-depth roles, and we're seeing tons of new people entering the ecosystem and discovering the magic of what we've put together for the very first time, which is truly exciting. I wish I could feel that way too. It's been 8 years for me, but actually every time I see you guys play with new things and get inspired, it re-inspires me. Just recently we open sourced the
All right.
repo, and
I'm back.
playing with it, talking about.
Yeah, actually, let me go back into the. I want to see where Ergo. I saw it the other day. I saw this the other day. I don't remember. Was it the ecosystem? Yes, it was in the ecosystem. All right, so here's the pretty dang bullish. Where is Ergo actually? Let's look at that real quick. Actually, I'm gonna look on it here because I don't trust CoinMarketCap. Ergo is at 124, sitting at $4. Whoa, Ergo is up 16% on the day. Pretty crazy. But anyways, whoops. Yeah. All right, so here's the ecosystem on Ergo. In my opinion, this is the winner. Ergo is the winner as far as GPU mineable coins. We'll see how the dust settles. They really need to do like a double or a triple to sort of support the lost network. But here's what they've done so far. First NFT market, EIP 0027, first DEX. And here's what is to come up next. Ergo on ADA. Again, Ergo with Cardano. So that's pretty crazy. Ledger, Ergo Lind, Flux Parallel Asset. This is pretty crazy. The Ergo Foundation is pleased to announce that Flux will be adding a new parallel asset that will provide a bridge to the Ergo platform. This bridge will bring potential for cross-chain interactions with Ergo. Flux has been building a decentralized computer network via cloud infrastructure. Adding Ergo will increase their number of parallel assets among other blockchains. With Flux, the size of computational network can allow Ergo dApps to take advantage of Flux decentralized hosting. Those who choose to make use of the bridge will be pleased to hear that Zelcore Wallet will be adding support for Ergo native asset. Ergo and Flux share several core values, including fair launch with no ICO, a commitment to decentralization, and the desire to be community driven. For more information, please visit their website on details, project, and development. Pretty crazy, honestly. I wish I would have been able to find that earlier, but yeah, I mean, I will I'll make a video about that actually later. But that's pretty crazy. Actually, let me click on the ADA because their websites are pretty damn clean. we have changed the brand ErgoDex to Spectrum. Hey, if you missed it, we changed our brand. Interesting. Scaling DeFi. Also, this is their, what is this? Yeah, that's the same one. Interesting. Huh. So it looks like they have their own little Uniswap type deal. SPF token become a part of Spectrum network. Over 50,000 community members. We are the first to build. Interesting. All right, so let's take a look at how much time is left until the merge. 56 minutes, 231 blocks remaining until the Celsius merge. Absolutely crazy. All right. Let's go to my Twitter here. Seems like miners are just hopping off, which I think is going to happen. I think will absolutely happen. Let me go over here to what's mine. Where is Ergo? Ergo is way up here. 37. Dang. What is... Let's see here. 2 miners. Wow, a lot of people are solo mining. What is the block reward? 58 tera. What? 58 terahash. Whew. What is the block reward? Interesting. Oh, shit. So the current block reward on Ergo solo mining is 48 or 231. And there's only, well, there's 57 terahash on the network. Which is a lot. It's a ton, actually. Because let's see. Interesting. ETH go up. Let's see. Let's look at the charts. Whoa, it sure did. Broke out of that channel. 16, 19. Well, I mean, it went up like $10. All right, so let's delete this. Interesting. Looks like we're having a cross to the upside. That's actually pretty bullish. We'll see what it does, though. We still got some time. It could very well pump right into. Whoops. Fuck. God damn it. It could pump right into this. I mean, and I could be wrong, too. That's just my speculation. Hey, I'll gladly be wrong. Gladly. Let's see. Yeah, so some of the tokenomics on Ergo, pretty crazy, man. Honestly, they got some real development going on in Ergo. This one I'm really interested in. Ergo parallel asset. Really prioritizing decentralization, true decentralization, which I don't think it really exists like we want it to exist in crypto anymore. So the fact that they prioritize that to me is pretty cool. So yeah, here's the Ergo roadmap, and there's currently 55 terahash on the Ergo network. So that's a ton. Yeah. Let's look at the what to mine. Oh, okay. I was trying to say still at 749 on Ethereum. Yeah, so definitely the merge hasn't happened yet. Ravencoin sitting at 10.26, which is just normal fluctuations, really. Where is Ergo, though? $37 terahash, according to what to mine. Oh, man. $48 minutes. What is the best cryptocurrency for the long run, in my opinion? Probably XRP. I'm going to give you like 3 or 5. I'll give you my top 3, top 5. XRP is number 1. So you got to think. Cryptocurrency is very similar to the .com bubble. And in the .com bubble, just for some context, in the .com bubble, 97% of all those projects went to zero. And I think the same thing is going to happen once regulations come. 97% of these are going to go to zero. All this nonsense of like the Shiba Inus and the Doges and all this stuff, it's all going to go to zero. However, 3% rose from the ashes in the .com bubble. The Amazons, the Googles, the PayPals, and they now rule the world. Amazon dropped 90% multiple times. So the filter that you have to run your cryptocurrencies to that you're investing in is this. What real world problem do they solve? Because that was the ones that were the winners in the .com bubble. What real world problems were being solved? Are they in bed with the government? Because they have to survive regulations. And the cryptocurrencies like that, for me, are the ISO 20022. So Quant is one of those. Quant will go well over $1,000 in 2024. Quant has less supply than Bitcoin. There is 14 million quant, has a direct partnership with Oracle. Like Quant's tokenomics are absolutely crazy. So I would say Quant, XRP, HBAR. Those are my top three. If I could only have three, those are the three I'm picking. Quant, XRP, HBAR. Now, if you give me 10, I can give you 10, but if I can only pick three, those are my three. Let me show you like some of the tokenomics on Quant. XRP is cross-border transactions. The board, the CEO of Ripple is on the board at XRP, they have direct partnerships with crazy amounts of companies. Same thing with HBAR. Like, look at this, HBAR Eco. Which is why I'm always talking about Saucer Swap, because this is getting me more HBAR on what I already have. All right, so let me just. This is HBAR's ecosystem. Some of the direct partnerships that HBAR currently already has. LG, Google, IBM, BitGo, like crazy, like major players, T-Mobile, major players are already working with Hedera. Same thing, like, you know, XRP is solving cross-border transactions. Quant, like, oh yeah, let's look at the tokenomics on Quant, because like they are insane, just crazy. And I'll show you the charts on these as well. All right, where is the white paper? Direct partnership with Oracle. Financial institutions, banks, investment firms, other financial institutions are harnessing blockchain to exchange information and assets more securely and cost effectively. So it's basically a way of things that are not blockchain to interact with the blockchain. Enterprises, blockchain enables companies operating in multiple markets to exchange information, assets more securely, cost effectively, to use varied as cross-border payments. Supply chain challenges are rising capital. Partners, whether you're a platform provider, independent software vendor, technology consultant, chances are clients are drawn to the benefits of blockchain promises. They have, here you go, capital markets. They're compliant with the government. Supply chain, trades, finance, insurance, digital currencies, payments, CBDCs. Crazy. Like, insurance is one of the craziest businesses that no one talks about. There's been so many recessions. Many banks go out of business during each recession. Insurance companies never go out of business. All right, let's look at the charts on these. I will buy Quant only one time at 300 and sell at 400 nearly 1 year ago. Hey, that's good profit, but currently Quant's at $100. You know, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you what I'm doing. That's it. But Quant's supply is only 14 million. You know, the thing that makes Bitcoin so cool is its scarcity. There's only 21 million Bitcoin. Well, Quant has less supply than Bitcoin. There's only 14 million Bitcoin, and it's doing far more. And if you pull a Fibonacci retracement on Quant, which I already have. Oh, I'm on the 1 minute chart. I'm like, what in the world? I forgot that I put ETH on the 1 minute. Don't look at the 1 minute chart, kids. Dang, it perfectly bounced off the 236 there. That's kind of crazy. Huh, that's wild. Anyways, This is the Fibonacci retracement. This is what I think quant is going to go to in 2025. At a minimum, it's going to go to close to $700, but it could go as high as $1,500 or even $1,700 in the next bull run. Like I said, there is less supply of quant than there is of Bitcoin. 10 years from now, this could be well over $10,000. In my opinion. That's my opinion. But hey, not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing and what I'm thinking. XRP, I think it's going to go to $7 in the next bull run. HBAR, I think it's going to go to like $2. Yep. 197. It could go as high as 230, which really, at this price, it's probably going to go to $2.22. VeChain's another really good one. It solves the supply chain issues. Damn, it's 1 a.m. Shit. We got 40 minutes till the merge. Your boy's going to be dead tomorrow. That's good. I think it's good to buy them. This strategy, this is the strategy. This is what I always tell people. The strategy is to dollar cost average. That is how your average Joe makes money. It's not trying to time the market. It's time in the market. You could have bought Bitcoin, and I don't even like Bitcoin that much, but you could have bought Bitcoin at all-time highs or all-time lows, somewhere in between. It does not matter. If you would have held for 3 years, you would have made money. And you can't say that about anything else. You can't say that about real estate, which I like. You can't say that about gold, which I like. You can't say that about silver, which I like. You can't say that about the stock market, which I like. You can't say that about nothing. So that's the strategy. Get your 5 or 10 coins and dollar cost average every single week, putting your money into them. Whether it's $1 a week, $10 a week, $100 a week, $1,000, whatever it is, do that. And just have the intention of holding until the moon boys come out of the woodworks. And that's when you want to take profit, is when everybody is screaming it's going to go higher. When you start hearing people at your grocery store talking about cryptocurrency and people you never heard of talking about cryptocurrency, that's when you want to take profit. And right now, outside of me, like, how many channels are really like going in on cryptocurrency? I mean, there are still a lot of OGs, but there's way less channels talking about crypto now than there was in 2021. There's way less people that you know that are talking about crypto now than there was in 2021. And that should cue to you that, hey, you know, you got to do the opposite of the herd. When the herd is excited, it's time to be scared. When the herd is greedy, time to be fearful. When the herd is fearful, like now, time to be greedy. And when the herd is bored, it's time to get excited. But that's my opinion, not financial advice. Do your own research. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ooh. Looks like it busted out of that channel, but might be getting resistance on top of there. Might be support. I mean, we shall see. We're inching closer. 37 minutes. You guys have been awesome, man. $151 blocks remaining. 150 blocks remaining. 149 blocks remaining. That's going actually pretty fast. Very cool. Let's take a look at the what to mine. I don't think people are going to hop off in the middle of the night. I wonder if this is like, even if people are still mining it, if the network would show. Oh, very interesting. Oh, thank you. Hold on, I'll fix it. Yeah, I think it only lets me do like 30 minutes or something like that. I'll get a new camera for streaming if I'm going to start doing this more. But for now, it's okay. I don't think I plan on doing, what is this, like what are we at now? How long have we been streaming? An hour and a half, which I'm cool with doing that if you like these type of videos. But for now, we'll just have to work through the little kinks. And that's okay. Ugh, I'm getting tired. It's way past my bedtime. I normally go to bed around 10 o'clock my time. I don't know what time zone you're on. I normally go to bed at 10 o'clock, and it is now 1:09 a.m. But that's okay. This is what it's all about. $35 minutes left. 144 blocks. Pretty crazy. Yeah, I really like the time to be live streaming. If I were to live stream every day, it would probably be the opening bell, like 8:30 Eastern time. And I could just like do the same type of style on what the market's doing, because crypto is really going to be moving when during that 9 to 5 when the stock market is open, maybe a little bit before it. Interesting. Whoa, look at that wick. Oh shit. That's a huge wick. That's a pretty massive candle right there. All right, let's take a look how much time we got left. And usually, okay, so there's something to keep in mind too. I'm not saying it's going to happen or that I even hope that it happens, but usually when like a huge wick happens from like pure liquidation or whales, it is in the middle of the night like this. Is ETH going to drop at merge date? Well, the merge is going to be in 32 minutes. And my speculation, and I'm going to say speculation, to me, it is a classic buy the rumor, sell the news. So I think that Ethereum is in the short term going to drop pretty dramatically, because many reasons. A lot of people think that it's going to fix the gas fees. It is not. A lot of people think it's going to make the network faster. It is not. It is just simply reducing the carbon footprint. And also, after the ETH merge, there's no more like updates. So like there's nothing else that to look forward to on ETH. Bloodbath. Is it dropping? Whoa! Holy shit! Oh my god! Whoa! It just broke this. Oh my god. So this is only the span of 10 minutes here. Or let's see. Actually, let's do it like this. So 2%, 2.2% in 26 minutes. That's crazy. 2.26%. And look at this. Look at this MACD. This is like getting real bearish. Whoa. Buy the rumor, sell the news. It's classic. This is how the whales move. This is how they have always moved throughout history. They buy the rumor and then they sell the news once the event actually happens. Once it actually happens, like just think about the Dogecoin thing on the Saturday Night Live. Everyone was going to wait until when Elon Musk was talking about Doge to sell, but really the time to sell was right before Saturday Night Live happened. This is looking like this is what's going to happen too. Why is Celsius pumping? I have no clue. There's no reason. Whales are moving it. Pump and dump. There's no reason. Celsius is dead. No reason that Celsius is pumping. That's crazy. 2.26%. Dude, like sometimes the stock market will do 2% in a year. Because they announced they will recover 22% of people's funds in November. Good to know. I'm going to pin that comment. Thank you for your insight. I appreciate that. I hope that they do. And get your money off your exchanges unless you want it to go to your bank account. That's it. You buy, you sell on the exchanges, you convert it to US dollars, and then you get it the hell off. Go back to your MetaMask, go back to your Ledger, go back to your HPAC, whatever you use. Not your keys, not your crypto. Damn, this is crazy. 28 minutes until the Ethereum merge. 113 blocks away. Very crazy. Let's take a look at the charts. Oh man, dude, ETH is like dumping right now. That's crazy. Oh shit. Jesus. Let it burn. All right, let's take a look at the hash rate. I haven't looked at this in a minute. Ether nodes merge. What do you mean? This stream is clean, man. Thank you. 750 terahash on Ethereum still. So even though there's only 30 minutes, 26 minutes left, the Ethereum terahash rate has not dropped off yet. Ergo sitting at 37, almost 38 terahash. Ravencoin sitting at 10 terahash. Flux sitting at 3.6 millihash, which I think is basically the same thing as terahash. Google it, look it up. Better website to track the merge. Okay, thank you. Cool. Thank you for your insight. don't think this is it. Here we go. Okay, so this is saying 15 minutes. Let's go. Is this the right one? Second. 66 blocks left. Cool. This is a pretty dope website. I really liked I thought the cleanest one was Coin Market Cap, but it was way off. This is the correct one. Well, that's what it's about. It's about the correct information, not about which one looks the prettiest. Yeah, so let's take a look at the price, though. Damn, why does it do that? I hate it when it does that dumb shit. Yeah, I think it's going to dump into the merge. Putting in that work. Let's go. Yeah, I think it's gonna I think we're gonna dump into this merge, honestly. Now, big picture, I think it's super bullish for Ethereum. 2025, I could see Ethereum going easily to 7.5K, probably somewhere in the 11K. You know, this sounds crazy, but it's not even a double from the all-time high. Well, 7.5K is. 11K is like a little bit more than a double from the all-time high. So that's really not that crazy to say. It's not like I'm, predicting the next top 1,000 coin to go into the top 10. No, it's not that crazy. But short term, in my opinion, I think that the Ethereum is going to dump into this 14 minutes. 61 blocks remaining. Absolutely crazy. Let's see what we got. I can put people in timeout. That's funny. That's cool. I can show people's comments. That's dope. I'm still learning this software. We got some cat action here. He said, "What's up with the merge? We going to the moon or what? Is Fluffy Coin going to the moon or what?" Is Fluffy Coin going to the moon or what? Damn nocturnal. Yeah, so I think it's just all about the difficulty. 55 blocks remaining, 12 minutes, 34 seconds. Oh yeah, dude, it's dumping. Oh geez. Ethereum is dumping into the merge. Yeah, we're sitting at 1586. We were just 10 minutes ago at 16.19, so almost $50, which isn't the end of the world, but it's still kind of crazy. But which I this is what I've expected from the beginning. Let's see what yeah. So still 750 terahash. Maybe this is slow to update, honestly. Let's look at let's go to Fluxpool. Or let's not. Let's not and say we did. $11 minutes, 26 seconds. 49 blocks away from the biggest moment in cryptocurrency history. After Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin, this is number 2, in my opinion. We got some cat action down there, man. All right, let's take a look at the charts. Oh my dude, it is like literally just straight off a cliff. 1571. This is kind of crazy. All right, this is getting crazy. So almost 3% in 37 minutes. 3% in 37 minutes. That's crazy. Got some cat action down there. Yeah. He's biting my damn feet, man. 10 minutes, 37 seconds. And ETH is like, I'm out. Oh, shit, dude. Ethereum's like, yeah, all right, peace. I'm out of here. Oh, damn. This is crazy. ETH has left the chat. Oh, shit. Hold up. ETH has left the chat. Peace out, girly scout. It was nice knowing you. What the hell? Damn. All right, so let's see where we got a little support at. It's already broken through here. I mean, it's just a wick. I guess the next thing is going to be like 1558. 1558. If it breaks through 1558, jeez, look out. The next thing after that would be 1550. So we'll see what it does. Got a little support. Give this a little refresh. 9 minutes, 40 seconds, 41 blocks away from the biggest moment in history. In cryptocurrency history. Absolutely wild. And I appreciate every single one of you guys. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you appreciate this type of content. If you appreciate this cat over here going absolutely bonkers, subscribe to the channel. Because I appreciate you guys sticking with me through this live stream. How long have we been live now? Almost 2 hours. 2 hours of live streaming, and I appreciate every single one of you. 8 minutes. Oh no, 9 minutes. Give it a little refresh. 9 minutes remaining. Let's see what ETH is doing. Got a little support. There's a lot of support over here. We'll see what it does. We'll see what it do. Let's take a look at the mining stats. 747. 38 on Ergo. Almost 11 now. Almost 11. We went up like 7% on my luck since I started this live stream. So that's pretty dope. Yeah, we got a little bounce. Little dead cat bounce from Ethereum. What's your guys' price prediction for Ethereum post-merge? Let me know in the chat. Whoever's the closest is going to get a H-bar giveaway. I'll do a flash giveaway. Whoever has the closest number to Ethereum is going to get 50 H-bar tomorrow. But you got to subscribe to the channel. You got to like the video. So let me know in the chat, what do you think post-merge tomorrow Ethereum is going to be? What's it going to close at? Let me know in the chat. 7 minutes remaining from Ethereum proof of work. Who the hell's getting the last block? That's what I want to know. Who is getting the last block? 7 minutes. Oh. Damn, this has been I think this is the longest I went live. God. Bro, Celsius is up 73%. 24% in the last hour. So, if you would have went long since this live stream started, you'd be up 24%. Got some damn cat action back here, man. All right. So we got a little dead cat bounce on Ethereum. Let's see what she do. 5 minutes remaining. 12:50. Fuck, dude. If it's 12:50 tomorrow, oh shit. Ethereum has left the chat. 12:50. Yeah, we're sitting at 15.95 currently. I'll probably stream like maybe like 10 minutes after the merge. See what's going on. Not ready. 11%. What is that? What the hell does that mean? Merge ready to sync clients seen on Ethereum network. Look at that difficulty. Hello again. Hello, welcome back. I'm doing a flash giveaway. Just so you're aware. Whoever has the closest prediction on Ethereum tomorrow, whatever it closes at tomorrow. So put your number in the chat. Whoever's closest is going to get 50 H-bar. So put in the comments what you think Ethereum is going to close at tomorrow. Whoever's the closest is going to get. What's the update on the merge? We are 4 minutes and 38 seconds away. We are 20 blocks away from the official merge from ethnodes.org. So we are minutes, blocks away, 19 blocks away. And who the hell is going to get the last block? That should be worth double. Honestly, if you get the last block, that should be worth double, in my opinion. That should be worth double. 1,670. All right. We're currently sitting at 1,597. Celsius is literally pumping right now. 33% in the last hour. 86% on the day. Pretty damn crazy. Let's go back over here. 2 minutes left. I'm just going to leave it here. We're going to leave it here. 2 minutes left. This is the merge. 1 minute left. Shit. 7 blocks remaining. 1 minute and 10 seconds remain until the biggest event in cryptocurrency history outside of Satoshi Nakamoto creating Bitcoin. Countdown like New Year's Eve. All right, let's do it. 1 minute remaining. Why does it keep changing though? It's because of the blocks. Because this needs to get to like 3 blocks, 2 blocks to actually be 1 minute. So I think it's going to keep doing that until we get to like 1. Yeah. So we got 6 blocks remaining. That's the more accurate thing. Seems like the difficulty is going up though. Let me refresh it. Hopefully I didn't miss it. Now we good. Yeah, so we got to wait for these blocks. Who's going to get the last block? 1 minute. Well, we just got to wait for the 45 seconds. Okay, here we go. 4 blocks remaining. 6. 30 seconds remaining until the biggest event in cryptocurrency. I lied. 40 seconds remaining again. We got to wait on the blocks. We're sitting at 4 blocks. Put the 4s in the chat. Ethereum's doing a little pump right now. 3 blocks remaining. 20 seconds. Uh-oh. It skipped some time. Happy new merge. Somebody lost time. Who the hell is in charge of time? Wait, no, it says 1 block to go. 1 block to go. The upgrade is now live on Ethereum mainnet. Happy new merge. All right, let's see. What is she? God dog it. Damn it. I hate it when that happens. Ethereum. Boom. All right, what's she talking about? All right, let's see what she does. I'm gonna see like I'm gonna see what it does for the next like 10 minutes because I think it's gonna dump. Let's take a look at the what to mine real quick. 748. You suckers ain't getting nothing. You ain't getting nothing. This is already updated. Oh no, it hasn't. So Raven is sitting at 10.77. Yeah, this hasn't updated, I don't think. Nice huge candle real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna see what the price does for about 10 more minutes. because I think it's going to dump 21% luck on my farm here. This has went up almost 10%. Almost 10%. I appreciate every single one of you. Happy new merge. Hit that like button. Uh-oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Comment in the chat what you think Ethereum is going to close at tomorrow. Let me know. Damn, that's a big candle. Yeah, I'm gonna stay on for another another couple minutes. Ethereum is at 1591, 2 red candles in a row. Bro, I can't believe Celsius is just on a straight freaking moon mission right now. Pretty crazy, really. Yeah. If it breaks here, look out. We'll see what she's talking about. It looks like they're consolidating up. Could be. It looks like it's about to flip on the MACD here. This is on the 1 minute, so it's really hard to tell, to be honest. But no one should look at charts on the 1 minute. Okay? No one. All right? No one should have all that power. All right. Green candle. My camera just...
Day I'm hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling.